Well, our friends at Rack Room Shoes have stepped up once again and invited Military Makeover to take over their store. They really support our veterans, not just here on Military Makeover, but all active duty and military get 10% off Tuesdays, plus 20% off on military holidays. And they are doing such an amazing thing for our Military Makeover couple, Michael and Heather, who I texted a little while ago. Hey, guys.
Hey, we got your text. What are we doing here?
What are we doing here? Well, you're in a shoe store. Welcome to Rack Room Shoes. They want to step up and honor your service and sacrifice, Michael, and of course, Heather, your hard work as a nurse during this pandemic. They want to offer you a complete shopping spree. Just go wild in here today.
Oh my God!
That's exciting. That's so exciting.
Have fun, get in here.
God, let's go.
Get at it, guys.
Thank
All
you
right.
so much.
I really need a new pair of sneakers. I need some date night shoes, some more fancy stuff for when we go out. Oh, these are super cool. I like these.
I'm gonna need some everyday shoes, dress shoes, the whole thing. So, looking forward to it.
So Rack Room not only invited our couple here today for their shopping spree, but we've got an awesome surprise that they have no idea is going to happen. So I'm going to present them with a tablet with a message from the Rack Room CEO, and he's going to drop a little magic on them. Well, look at you guys. You did some damage.
Yeah, we went to town.
Yeah, we did.
Did you find everything you wanted?
A lot of great stuff. Yeah, absolutely.
I can't wait to go home and try them on.
Well, I hope you have room in your car. And listen, guys, I found my 10s.
Nice.
So you're off the hook. You didn't have to find them for me. But listen, I'm going to put these right over here. There's one other thing that you didn't see, and it happens to be in this box right here. This is something special from the CEO of Rack Room.
Hello, Heather and Michael. I'm so sorry that I couldn't be there with you today. I hope you enjoyed your shopping experience, and I know you found some great new shoes that you love. We at Rack Room Shoes would like to say thank you. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your sacrifice in defending our people and our country. And in a small token of that thank you, we'd like to add an additional gift for you. Art's holding in his hands 2 $500 gift cards, one for each of you.
Oh my God.
So Michael and Heather, we'd like to say thank you and really enjoy your military makeover.
Wow.
Oh,
Isn't
my
that
God.
awesome?
Oh, that's
wow,
so nice.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Hey,
It's insane.
You know, thank you guys. And again, we don't just say thank you, we show thank you on Military Makeover. Now, you're not going to thank me because I'm not going to be helping you load your car. So, all right, let's get it packed up and get out of here, guys.
Thanks, Austin.
Good to see you.
All right. That's amazing.
We're just so overwhelmed right now with generosity, and just this whole experience has been amazing so far, and Rack Room Shoes has just been so nice, and we would want to thank them so much for everything.